Welcome to WebSolvers. In this video, we will see how to convert 30 FPS video to 60 FPS or whatever FPS video into 60 FPS video. Basically, we want to convert frame rate of a video. So there are many ways. First, let's do it via CapCut. Go to CapCut's website and click download for free. After you have downloaded and installed CapCut, open CapCut app, click create project, drag and drop video. Don't click add the video. Click add this blank region to see frame rate. It's 30 FPS. I can also right click video, select properties, select details tab, and I can see frames rate here, 30 frames per second. So it means it's 30 FPS. We want to convert it to 60 FPS. To do that, go to menu, file, export. Give it a name, select destination, change frame rate, click export. And this is by using free CapCut version. And here is the output. Frame rate has been changed, 60 frames per second. And we have no watermark here. Another way is to use HandBrake. Search HandBrake in Google. HandBrake is an open source video transcoder. Download HandBrake. It's a free software. After that, drag source over HandBrake. Go to video tab, change frame rate. You can go up to 120. I'll select 60 FPS. And then from here, select constant frame rate. Change the destination. Output 2. Save. Press start encode. Done. Right click properties, details, and it is 60 frames per second now. Now there are online tools as well. Just search FPS converter online in Google and you will find some tools such as FlexClip, flexclip.com/tools/video frame rate converter. Another such tool is veed.io/tools/video frame rate converter. Another free tool is VideoBolt, videobolt.net/simple video tools/FPS. So this is how you can convert video to 60 FPS for free and without watermark. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.